Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Valya, and today I'll be showing you this makeup look I'm wearing, which is a very nice warm look for this time when in the autumn. This is a very super and easy 10 minutes date night glam tutorial, and very super easy as I have told you, but super also that you can wear it especially from afternoon till evening. So let's get into this video to show you how I had created that look. I have done my brows off camera as usual with my 17 Real Brown 06 long tail eyebrow shaper, and this is it. Then I have set up my lids with my Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the shade 20, and then I set up with my pressed powder by Sabrina Rudnick, and now I'm ready to move on to wear my shadows. For today I'll be using my Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose with this palette, and today I'm gonna do for you a soft and super easy date night glam makeup tutorial, which is based on earthy undertone colors and a very nice red lipstick. So I'm gonna start with this brush, and I'm gonna take this on the edge medium brown, light brown to orange shadow to do my crease. This is my transition shadow. I'm gonna apply it on all over my crease and a little upward under my brow bone. Then I'm gonna continue with this type of brush and this an undertone darker medium brown, and I'm gonna apply it and this on all over almost the eye and on the crease and all over the eye. Continuing with this tiny brush by Eyebrow 103 and this dark brown shimmery shadow to apply it on my outer corner. I'm taking my Tommy Tin fluffy brush to blend all the shadows before I'm gonna move on. And now I'm gonna cut my crease with my Wet n Wild flat brush and my Maybelline Fit Me, of course, concealer. And I'm gonna take my Avon flat brush and this shadow, which is something between, it is a shimmery sparkly shadow, something between purple and brown. And I'm gonna apply it on all over the lid. On the area I have cut my crease. I'm applying this shimmery, very nice, more purple, deeper brown shadow. Now I'm going to move on to do the same on my other eye, the same shadow, the crease, the transition shade, continue with the other shadow, the deeper, on the crease and on the eye, and of course continue to cut in the other crease with the usual way, like I did on the first time. Now I'm ready to move on to wear my eyeliner, soft tip felt liner I Define by MUA. This is a very nice black liner. And now I'm ready to move on to wear my lash. For today I'll be wearing my Ardell Professional Naturel 105. This is one of my favorite pair of lashes and my favorite brand. And I'm gonna wear them for today in the black color, of course. And now I'm ready to move on to prepare the rest of my face, beginning from my Face Studio Prime Maybelline Protecting Primer with SPF 30. This is my lovely hydrating moisturizing primer by Maybelline, which I'm using a long time ago, and for a long time I'm gonna use it in the future because it's very hydrating and I prefer these types of primer, and it is applied so well, as you see, with only my fingers. And of course continue to apply the foundation. For today I'll be using my Essence Complete Cover foundation and taking my Kabuki brush by Eyebrow 07 and continue to apply the product on all the face. And of course continue to apply my Catrice True Skin High Cover Concealer in the shade 032 Neutral Biscuit, which I'm gonna apply underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and near to my mouth, and a few on my chin. Now I'm going to set up my under eye area with my Sabrina Rudnick, and with my eye by 11 I'm gonna set up, and all my face of course. Continue to apply my bronzing face powder with my eyebrows to 11 to bronze my face. Continue with my cyan powder root in the shade 10 Secret Lovers and my eyebrow level, my blush, applying this blush. And of course, something I forgot is my Blossom Glow Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This I'm gonna apply it underneath my brows, as always. And of course, with my eyebrow unpurified, I'm gonna apply the highlighter on the highest point of my face, on the temples and on my cupid bow. Of course, a few bronzer on my nose. Now I'm going to apply underneath my eyes my eyebrow translucent powder with my beauty blender, just for a few minutes to clean the under eye area, and of course underneath my bronzer to clean the area, as I have told you, for a few minutes. I'm going to end up with my under eye, applying the same shadow I applied all over my eye, all the same shadow. Then I'm gonna apply my waterline, a black liner by Wet n Wild this time. What else? I'm gonna apply my Sky High Maybelline mascara, and on my upper lash and on my down lashes. Now I'm gonna wipe away the excess powder with my powder brush, and this is it. I'm gonna wipe away all the excess powder. I'm going to move on to my lips. For today I'll be wearing my Elixir 053, which is the red classic lip liner. And of course, gonna wear for today my Wet n Wild Top Light Red, a classic red lipstick. And of course, I'm gonna complete my look with my I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray, Peaches and Cream, which has a very nice smell of peach. So my friends, this is my complete finished look. I hope you liked that video. If you like it, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned to see the new video I'm gonna upload. Love you! Bye my friends!